Hey, hello everybody. This is the lineup of Hot Wheels Monster Jam World Finals number 1, Super Slam Series number 10. That's all your past champions who won the series. First up, we got Alex Scott's 915 Engraved Legend won the first one. Matt Gordon American Region Steel won the second one. Series 3 will go to the HWMJ Pro in the 2014 World Finals Avenger, MJ Rocks 2219, the Purple Warrior. The HWMJ Pro once again won Series 3 in the Purple Warrior, and now he's driving Man of Steel. Which isn't easy in Tasmanian Devil. Dominic Marshall won Series 7 in the original King Crunch. And then Series 8 was Monster Fanatic who won the Rage of Steel. I gave him the Reno Taroko. And then finally, Dominic Marshall won his second series in a row once again. And who won the Rachel King Crunch. I decided to give him Samson. So the event will be today, winner tonight, so this is going to be the last time series for a while. So stay tuned for the event.